Hedera Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the July month. And Hedera Hashgraph, is the price pump, is the price jump in the July or not? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. So please subscribe now and also like this video, my friends. So my friends, let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. First of all, you can see here, my friends, the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.20829 USD dollars. That is the currently latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes in the Hedera Hashgraph, so I think that Hedera Hashgraph also in the pumping, my friends. At this time, Hedera Hashgraph price is moving upward, my friends. Absolutely a good changes in the Hedera Hashgraph, my friends. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive, my friends. The changes is going good, my friends. So that's why I'm feeling very good about the Hedera Hashgraph, my friends. And let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, my friends, the Hedera Hashgraph also starts jumping, my friends. So from this chart, that's clear. The future of the Hedera Hashgraph is clear for everybody, my friends. That now this time the changes in the Hedera Hashgraph is positive. You can see here, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, the prices start moving upward. You can see here, my friends. Now in this time, and if you look at this chart, so the both changes is going positive, my friends. So congratulations to all Hedera Hashgraph in advance, my friends. At this time, the changes in the Hedera Hashgraph is going positive, and absolutely that's a really good news for all of you, that after a great falls, after a big loss, the prices start pumping. So that's good news for all of you, friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please also share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.